gravel stabilisation grid can be used to stop your gravel from migrating to areas it wasn't intended for. Also commonly known as a gravel driveway grid, gravel stabilisation mat or ground protection grid, this product is ideal for use on a driveway and other areas that receive foot or vehicular traffic such as paths, car parks and access roads. This product is ideal to prevent loss and breakage of your gravel on areas that are sloped and has been tested to withstand a weight of 428 tonnes per square metre. At Stone Warehouse, we stock a gravel grid that is made from 100% recycled plastic, so is an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional ground reinforcement methods such as tarmac or concrete. Our gravel grid is also fully SUDS compliant, providing a permeable but firm base that allows water to drain away freely. It is easy to install and offers a low maintenance solution for your garden project. The grid is available to buy in square metres, which are made up of 9 connecting panels, each sized 330mm squared with a width of 40mm. Before installing your gravel grid, you will need to ensure you have a firm, solid base for it to sit on. We recommend creating a base of well-compacted MOT Type 1 hardcore or similar to a minimum depth of 100mm, although this may need to be deeper dependent on the project. However, the gravel grid can be laid straight onto grass, mud or any other permeable surface. We do suggest covering the area with a weed membrane as this will help to keep the gravel clean. You can then place the gravel grid squares onto the membrane and connect the panels together using the simple slot and peg snap connections that will interlock the tiles. Once the main surface area is laid, it may be necessary to cut the tiles to size to fit your garden design. Our gravel grid can easily be cut using an angle grinder, hand or power saw to follow any curve, radius or angle. Cutting pieces to less than half their original size should however be avoided. To ensure the gravel grid lies flat, a light vibrating whacker plate can be used if required. The gravel grid can then be filled with any angular gravel, decorative aggregate or chipping that is within an 8mm to 20mm grading. We do suggest you wash the material first and avoid using fully rounded stones. The gravel grid is not designed to be seen, so in order to achieve this, cover the honeycomb cells with a 20 to 25mm deep surface layer of gravel, which can be raked into place to achieve an even covering. This layer of gravel will settle to a 10 to 15mm surface layer once it has compacted and naturally settled over a 4 to 6 week period. This surface covering will ensure maximum longevity and performance of the product, so it is important to maintain. Once you are satisfied that you have achieved a smooth, compacted surface covering, then your area is ready to use. Thank you for watching our How to Install Your Gravel Grid video.